Then the question 4C, required that company XYZ is in the process of computerizing the human resource department. Discuss 5 challenges the company might encounter during this process. So the question required that the candidate discuss 5 challenges. The company, in this case, the company that intends to computerize the human resource department, challenges the company might encounter during this process. The question had 5 marks. Now the question intends to test the understanding of the candidate in relation to computerization. So the computerization process is where an organization that has, for instance, been operating on manual processes intends to bring in now technology and for this matter computers, so that computers can be brought in to be able to pick up the operations for one reason or the other. So the question required the candidate to discuss 5 challenges the company might encounter during this process. One of the challenges that could be encountered is resistance. From employees. Employees may resist the introduction of computerization, sometimes for the fear of the unknown. Workers may be arguing that they have been used to manual systems, and once computers are, for instance, introduced, workers could lose their jobs. And this could be one way for which the computers might be resisted, or the computerization process might be resisted with workers, because workers may be fearing for the loss of their jobs, and the worst that may come if computers are introduced in their process, and they may want to scuttle this process, and this could be a challenge that the organization should be aware of. Secondly, lack of expertise. So this refers to the skills and competencies that may be desirable for individuals or workers within the organization to be able to manage a computerized process. So existing employees within an organization may not have the requisite skills, the requisite knowledge, and even if the computers or computerization process is complete, then the organization may face a challenge of having employees who can be able to manage these computers and be able to produce work depending on the requirements of the organization, and that lack of expertise might create or pose a problem. Thirdly, associated costs. So these associated costs may include the costs of migration from manual systems to computerized systems, and this could be in aspects like software, hardware, among other aspects, and for example, consultation services by experts, consultation services. So these associated costs in the migration from manual systems to computerized systems might also affect the organization in case of a massive computerization process. So fourthly, low productivity. So in the initial periods when the computerization process is taking place in the organization, workers will be learning in relation to manual systems and computerized systems. And before the system picks up, there is likely to be an element of low productivity from that environment or that department due to that changeover process. Then the fifth challenge that an organization may encounter is the challenge of continuous training and development. So in a computerized environment, technology keeps on changing, systems keep on changing, and an organization may be required to continuously train and develop its employees on emerging and computerization processes, and wherever there are hiccups and challenges, training has to be continuous, and this training might be on the job or off-the-job training program, and this continuous training may take workers from the work environment or from their skills, and when workers move to other skills, acquisition processes, work may also suffer. So this continuous training and development might sometimes be a challenge that the organization may encounter within the first 6 months or within the first 1 year of the computerization of the human resources within a given organization. And this might also be a problem to the organization. So there could be other problems or challenges which we have not mentioned here, but the learner needs also to acquaint themselves with. For instance, even if you computerized the human resource department, there are certain documents, there are certain records that must be maintained in a hard copy or paper form. For instance, employee appointment letters, employee appraisal forms, employee agreements are supposed to be kept in hard copy, which are supposed to be signed and authenticated by the organization and kept as records within the organization. You have issues like payrolls and so on, which again must be put in print or other forms that may require that the organization prepares it very well, which might again pose challenges. But for this case, we have only looked at these 4 for the purpose of this particular question, which required that the candidates discuss 5 challenges the company might encounter if it introduces a computerization process within its operations.